Doiris. Don't think it up. Doiris. Dumela me linjanis moroi. Kareki te rekisa doilis me so doilis put sofa. See doilis me nice. See me nice sofa put on sofa on this me clean sofa put this on ish this sofa that on sofa you no date sofa put one there sit nice cheap madam cheap ma'am.
It's not when I go to Lohai or we ralam.
Regisa, this sale.
Okay.
No money, charity, Mary. No, Mary. You give me your husband. Me take husband, yes. Brukwa, hembe, husband, your husband. You give me, yes. Take you, Joyce.
Oh, okay. What did you present on neck?
Huh?
What did you present on neck?
Yeah, I want your husband. Yeah.
Huh?
Yes, me want your husband. Yeah. Buruku, chat. Your husband. Hey.
My husband's clothes. They're present on neck.
Yeah, this husband, give me your husband.
I must give you my husband.
Yes.
But I'm on neck.
Yes. Me give you this. You give me husband. Yes, clothes. Diabaru. Eh. Understand, madam?
No, I don't have a
Okay.
husband.
Are you amba chivenda? Are you anguna chivenda?
I got a line.
Okay. All right. Sofa.
You speak English?
Me, try English. Try. Okay. All right. Tafu. Tabru. Tafu. Tafra. To eat. Tafra eat. Sada. Take setting this. Tafra duk. Tafra. Put tabru. Eat. Don't laugh. This tafra, madam tafra. Put tafra. Yeah. Chikaf. Yes. Aha. Tafra. Yes. This top of tafra. Yes. Top tafra. Nice. Cheap. Nice.
Okay.
Then you, me, marry. No, marry. No, marry. No, marry. Me. Your husband. Yes, your husband. Your husband made it.
Okay, no, why bring my husband?
Me, take husband. Yourself home.
Huh?
You. You, me, give me, your husband. Me, back, put husband in your back, go Zimbabwe, sell. Yes. Husband. This, madam, this husband. Take me, give me, you take this.
Okay. You want my husband's clothes?
Hey.
Okay.
Hey.